In crypto, speed matters, but trust matters more. At Caleb & Brown, you're never on your own. We connect you with your own personal broker and a 24/7 team, ready to help you buy, sell, or swap over 250 digital assets with one flat, transparent fee. No spreads, no slippage, no hidden costs. Get the best market prices through deep, aggregated liquidity executed by our professional trading desk. Your funds are secured with institutional-grade cold storage for total peace of mind. Track every move in real time with our intuitive client portal, anywhere, anytime. Whether you're trading as an individual, trust, or business, we give you speed, security, and peace of mind. Thousands of clients in over 100 countries already trust Caleb & Brown. Visit calebandbrown.com and start your personalized crypto journey today.
Still on the screen. There we go. Now I'm on the screen. All right. Tilt you up a little bit more. Like and subscribe, guys, if you haven't already. Smash that golden like button. Smash it like that, man. It's really bright in here today. I don't know what's going on with lights. I'm still trying to figure them out, guys, since I got new lights. Ring a ding ding and a ring a ding ding. You find that subscribe bell over there on YouTube and over there on Kick and Rumble. You can also find us, guys. Go over there and check us out. You know, we always want to grow. No trend today, huh? Well, he told me today, like at 2, that his wife made plans to go pick up some friends from the airport, and they're rather far away, and so they are staying at the hotel. And then my special guest, guys, we had to delay him until next week because he's actually going to Africa right now to do a crypto com down there, and he actually needs what's the words he used? He needs like his boss's permission to go talk about crypto live. Like, he's a pretty high up guy, so it'll be pretty good, man. I'm pretty excited about it. What's up, Daily? What's crack-a-lackin', bro? I know, I was a little savage. Maybe I shouldn't have been. Nah, it's okay. It's my channel. He's trashing on me. I'll throw a little slack at him. Which is nothing wrong, man. I mean, I was out there playing poker at a gay man's house on this weekend. I have no problems, man. Do what you want in your own home. But right now, you're in my home. This is my house. LT, what's up, man? XRP is good. Absolutely, guys. It's like a number. Is it? Where is it at in the top? I think, is it number 3 now? Did it pass BNB again? How's your weekend, Daily? Oh, guys, so I'm just drinking some water. Just water, guys. That's all it is. I ate like the biggest plate of spaghetti ever, and I am like so bloated. I'm like, I don't think I can handle a beer, man. I'm gonna go pop. I don't want to pop. What's up, Real Meta? How you doing, man? TBC. The blockchain Brew Crew. Uniswap, dude. I was looking at that, bro. Oh my gosh, we should get into those charts. Love you, hon. Let's take a look, man, at Cointelegraph. I'll throw myself on the screen. It's weird not having Trent here. I like having somebody else to ramble with, banter with. Share screens. Yeah, I was looking at it. I was watching it on a Twitter space, and they're like, "It's gonna go to $10." I think it was like $6 at that point in time. I'm like, I don't know. That's pretty aggro. Trent is staying in a hotel with his wife and some friends someplace in the desert. I don't know where. That's all I know. I don't know if he's. I don't even know if he's going to be here tomorrow or Wednesday. Yeah, I might be flying solo. I have to get somebody else on here. You and Trent are a good duo. Hey, thanks, LT. I appreciate it. I know. Sometimes I feel like I struggle when it's just me. That's why I'm trying to get other people on the channel to help out. Cool, as long as he's alive. Well, he's alive for the moment. He's in a hotel. What do we got going for us? Crypto news. Guys, just so you know, I'm sticking to my thesis right now. I'm still bearish. Okay, I see the rally. I think it's great, but I've been calling for 115. I said 115. We're gonna get up and get that liquidity. I haven't changed my status, but I would love to be proven wrong because I'm not selling regardless. I'm along for the ride. Where the hell where's what happened in crypto today? Oh, they say Uniswap token jumps 38%. Well, let's check this out. Oh, it's a burn proposal. Well, let's take a look. We'll take a look at it. Uniswap token jumps 38%. It's really like 50% now, if I'm not mistaken. After fee switch. Burn proposal hits the table. The Uniswap token rose 30% on the introduction of a protocol fee switch and burning mechanism that could strengthen the Uniswap token. The native token behind Uniswap rallied 38%. Well, we just read that. Among the potential changes outlined in the unification proposal are activating a protocol level fee mechanism to burn Uniswap. Uniswap's at $9.39. Tokens building a protocol fee discount auction systems to increase liquidity provider returns. Uniswap Foundation said in a joint proposal, Uniswap Labs on Monday. They also plan to burn 100 million Uni token, roughly 16% of the circulating supply, from the treasury, which could further improve the supply and demand dynamics. Well, that's kind of weird because it's in the treasury. So it's not burning like circulating supplies. They're not buying it up. They're just burning it from the supply. It's kind of what BNB is doing. It doesn't really affect the price. The government's token behind Uniswap decentralized exchange fees, Uniswap's Layer 2 Unichain, which has generated 7.5 million annualized fees since its launch 9 months ago. I didn't even know Uniswap had a Layer 1 or a Layer 2. Will also be sent to Uniburn mechanism. We believe this proposal positions Uniswap protocol to win as a default decentralized exchange for tokenized value. The Uniswap Foundation said Uni token rises nearly 40% on the news, providing the government's token with a much-needed boost after trailing the likes of Bitcoin and the BNB and Solana and several other blue chip tokens cycle. You know, though, I think I read like Uniswap is technically decentralized, but I think I read someplace that like Chase Bank has like a lot of tokens, or they have some sort of like control on the supply. So it wasn't as decentralized as it is proclaimed. Retail has been absent this cycle. Wonder if they feel priced out or if they just don't understand the stats. I think retail is just not here right now. You want my honest opinion? I think a lot of people, even like us, we all believed in the 4-year cycle. I don't think that is. I don't think it is anymore, guys. Maybe 5.5-year cycle. Go off the debt cycle. Breaks the 4-year halving thesis. No, I still think that plays a role, but I just don't think that's what caused the blow off top. While Uniswap Foundation dubbed unification protocols next era, issuing grants to improve the development and growth, support decentralized finance builders will continue to be a priority, it said. It plans to create a growth budget to achieve this, which would involve distributing 20 million Uni tokens. The unification proposal also introduces Uniswap growth budget to fund further protocol in the ecosystem. Well, guys, I think we're gonna have to take a look at Uniswap token today. What else do we have? Because I would love to dive into the charts on that one, see if it's going to continue going. Did I hear today too that the government's reopening? I think I saw that. Bitmine snapped up 34% more ETH last week as price dipped. Jack Dorsey's Square has opened up 4 million merchants to Bitcoin. Biopharma, I don't even know what that is. This is, I think, what I was talking about. One of the things I was talking about. The Senate Agricultural Committee has released a draft bill outlining the proposed regulatory jurisdiction of the country's two main financial regulators. The U.S. Senate Agriculture Committee has released its long-awaited discussion after the discussion draft of crypto market structure laws, bringing Congress closer to passing legislation outlining how the crypto sector will be regulated. Republican Agriculture Chair John Boozman, Democrat Senator Cory Booker released the draft on Monday, which includes brackets around sections of the bill that lawmakers are still negotiating. The bill aims to outline the limits of Commodity Futures Trading Commission and the Securities Exchange Commission power to regulate crypto. Only Congress has set the agency's regulatory boundaries, and both have shared guidance to companies about crypto under the Trump administration deregulation push. The CFTC is the right agency to regulate spot digital commodity trading and establish clear rules for emerging crypto, while also protecting consumers, Boozman said. Booker said the discussion would provide CFTC with new authority to regulate the digital commodity spot market, create new protections for retail consumers, and ensure agencies has the personnel resources necessary to oversee this growth in the market. Parts of the crypto bill still up for change. The draft bill outlining common cryptos such as blockchain, decentralized finance, and decentralized autonomous organizations, or isn't that DAO? Yeah, DAO organizations, and how they would be regulated under the Commodity Exchange Act. Much of the bill in brackets is indicating that this is a subject to change. One part of the text mentions the minority view held by the Democrats in the committee don't believe the Agriculture Committee has jurisdictions over certain aspects and are interested in working with the Senate Banking Committee to address issues related to the non-controlling blockchain developers and providers of blockchain services. Requirements. Number 2. With respect to a joint rulemaking described in paragraph 1, A, the joint rule shall be in public interest and provide appropriate protections for customers. The Securities Exchange Commission and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission shall consider the public interest of the joint rule through solicitation of public comments. That's a good way to do it. Public comment. The Agriculture Committee has jurisdiction over the CFTC. Senate Banking Committee is leading parts of the bill relating to securities laws as it oversees the SEC. Republicans on the Banking Committee released a discussion on draft sections of the bill in July and suggest it would marry up with the Clarity Act, which we can't wait till we get the Clarity Act, guys, right? A bill the House passed in July that gives the CFTC a central role in regulating crypto. Crypto groups back progress. Ji Hung Kim, the CEO of crypto advocacy group, the Crypto Council for Innovation, said the release of the draft bill marks meaningful, positive progress towards establishing comprehensive fit-for-purpose market structure framework for digital commodities in the U.S. Mason Lina, a committee director of Coinbase's lobbying arm, Stand with Crypto, said the bill is an important step toward formally establishing the common sense regulatory framework the crypto industry has pushed for. The Senate must act quickly, deliberating to pass the market structure legislation, he added. Crypto advocates nationwide are counting on their elected officials to create rules of the road. Is that it? Guys, is that all we got today for the news? Latest news. Yeah, here it is. Here's what happened in crypto today. I just want to see if we got everything. Senator AG releases draft crypto bill. We just read that. U.S. opens door for crypto ETFs trust to earn staking rewards. So that's good. I think we knew that. Bank of England launched a stablecoin consultation. Final rules to come in 2026. Well, man, England's got to be careful, dude. They're going downhill so fast with crypto. It is just absolutely wild. Deer shares dropped 20%. Oh, okay, cool. Let's go get in the charts, guys. I'm gonna jump in the charts. I'm gonna change the outline. This. What's up, Gambit? How you doing, sir? How's your night? Crypto news. We just did that. guess we'll go over here. Charts TA. Sweet. What the heck is this? Soon. What is this? Why is it going up parabolically? Manipulation. Manipulation. That's exactly why. Before I got ready for more up, I've been waiting for the CME gap fill for BTC. Yeah, isn't it still open? Don't we have one like at... What's it at? I can't remember. I have to take a look. I could be wrong. Is it like at 94? Do we have a CME gap at 94? Or are we talking about the one? Did we create one yesterday, last night? Oh, our BitFi signal bot, guys, is going off. What are some bullish coins, man? We're gonna have to get in there. I haven't gotten into the charts yet. Easy. I'm just reading the comments. I also discovered yesterday, like, sound effects. Check this out. Ooh. Doing. I'm just dragging this out now, guys. What's this one? What's heartbeat? That's scary. That's right, guys. We're gonna get in the charts. Wow, everything has been on a tear this week. Oh, Will Liberty. Somebody told me today, Trump, Melania, and Will Liberty look like Zcash market structure. Let's take a look. Well, that doesn't really help me a whole lot because everything looks like that. It looks like that in reverse. I don't even see Melania. Yeah, I don't see Melania. We'll have to look at it in the charts. Well, Trump's pumping, IMX pumping, Will Liberty's pumping, Fed's pumping, Uniswap. Everybody is craving Uniswap. Is it going to go up or is it going to go more? Well, we had this rising wedge. We didn't break up to another leg, which would be up over here. Now we have a lower high. Now we create another lower high. Is it about to chill out for a moment? We have Monero down 10%. Woo-wee. Yes, it is. It is down. It's giving some of its blood back. Dash, another privacy token, guys. Down 42% for the week. Like I was saying, man, I wouldn't put in the category Zcash. Even Zcash those down. Not a terrible amount. But, guys, this does look a very Class A double top. Very, very interesting to keep an eye on that one, guys. I am a little nervous. There's your high. There's a lower high. I don't see it. I don't see the cup and handle. It just looks like it's breaking down. If you wanted to get into some Zcash, it might be time. Take a look at the top 200. AIA. We were talking about this one, guys. Remember? I was like, oh, this came out of nowhere. It was outperforming Zcash. Look at that, dude. Talk about a classic rug. Shoop. You go up, it's down 10. It's an 8x, 10x lower than where it was at. Oh my gosh. Talk about a classy rug. If Zcash is in your indicator, Uniswap will continue higher. Well, we have to take a look. I'm definitely pulling Zcash up. This is always a funny meme to me. I keep seeing this pop up and down. I have no idea what it is and why is it always doing good. Gollum? I haven't seen Gollum since Voyager. I think that was the only place I knew I could buy Gollum. Why is Gollum waking up? That's odd. R-Weave. I used to have a fat bag of R-Weave. OG. I remember. No, I don't. Horizon. This also new. That's a weird chart too. All right, cool. We check a look at the bubbles. Let's jump in the charts. Bless me, guys. Oh, there's Melania. I found it. It's up. Wow, Melania's up more than Will Liberty and Trump. That is impressive. That does look like a high. That does look like a lower high. I think it's coming back down. I think it's coming back down to like 11 cents. I might even looking shorting it while we're watching on the stream. All right. Bless thee. Zcash is any indicator Uni will continue higher. Bless thee. I ain't touching none of these tokens. I have been playing trampoline. Dude, I know, right? Those are dangerous. Hey, I just trade them But my spot bags, dude, I'm the blue chip guy. I love my blue chips. The only time I've ever veered from him was like back in May when I say have conviction, hold your conviction coins, because when I got veered away, man, it was devastating to some of my bag. All right, let's take a look at what do you want to look at first? Oop. I just did something. We want to look at, what was that coin you said? Zcash and Uni. Let's look at Uni. Do I even have Uni on here? I honestly haven't thought about that token in a long time. Didn't even have it, guys. Yeah, now we got Uni. Uniswap. I missed the U's. I missed the U's. Come on, scroll down, damn it. I mean, dang it. Oh, guys, I have this video I gotta show you. I'll play the Discord today. I almost killed somebody literally in my truck today. You guys want to see some alpha that we're working on? Don't tell Trent I showed you this. It's possibly something that's coming, guys. Here's a quick little snippet. Did you see that? Did you see that? I might have to freeze it. It's something that we'll work on. It's almost here. Well, almost got it done. All right, let's go take a look at Uni. Oh gosh, I got a message on my thing. We're on the 5 minutes, so it's a very small time frame. So it looks like it's about a pump on the 5 minute. We got a double green dot. Okay, yeah, it's probably about a pump in the 5 minute. Yeah, everything else is hot. Stokes are high. RSI's high. I like the green dot. They've been working really well for me today. 15 minute. Money flow is tapping, increasing. We're below the 21. I think we might flip, guys. Call me crazy. But if this green dot confirms, which we have 30 seconds till it confirms, we'll probably pump out of this. Like, I'm not even kidding you. The 15 minutes, 5 more minutes. Oh my god. That's such a scary chart that I don't know how long that 5 minute will hold. I'm almost, that's a doji candle trend reversal. Momentum coming down to the downside. Stokes are also curve down. Money flows thick though. Crazy things happen when the money flows thick. I mean, let's just look at Zcash. View up below the zero line though. Momentum still going to the upside. Has not rolled over on the 4 hour. 4 hour closes in also 4 minutes. Oh, this is gonna be a good, interesting 5 minutes, huh? All right, we're gonna come back in a couple minutes. Ooh, we did get that candle close. Look at that. Doji candle, trend reversal. Ooh, we did that 5 minutes. Gonna give us some strength that we need. Get Uniswap flipping. Did we get another leg up? Though I think this candle, this leg right here is gonna be very important because we come up and we don't make a higher high. We start making like a. This is my line pattern. Like a yay pattern. Come up over here, touch the 21 rejection. That's the scary zone. Come back a couple minutes. Let's go jump into, what was the other coin that you guys were saying? Uniswap and was Zcash? Take a look at Zcash. And DZ said something too. Is Fed and ICP dead now? It pumps now limp. I don't know, man. I mean, they have pumped so hard. So hard. And I did say there was bearish divergence on the daily on ICP. Now, the other time frames are still green. Like the 5 day just made a green dot. So it might just be a temporary fake out or fake down. We're on Zcash 5 minute. Double top on 5 minute, came down, trying to roll over, get a little pump in the 5 minute up to the 1 hour. 1 hour, we got a little pump of Rooney action. Doji candle, trend reversal, wants to go down. Momentum still looks okay though, it's still going up. View up coming down, Stokes RSI strength flatter, but still going in the right direction. Ooh, that does not look good. Huh, that does not look good for Zcash. Well, it's at this first level of support right here. Next level, we have a level that here. We got a level right there. So there's a, maybe you can say there's a baby level right there. There you go. So if we break through this, we could be looking at 480. Money flow's coming down. Strength stokes are coming down the 4 hour. 12 hour shows action to the downside. Though it is touching the 21. So I guess that's kind of an important indication. I would say I'd be leaning bearish on Zcash right now. I mean, red dot downwards action. There's all lines that we drew previously on the daily. You can see that where we were drawing the bearish divergence. VWAP coming down, strength coming down, Stokes, RSI, everything's coming down. Yeah, I think we're coming down more. Money flow is super duper thick still. VWAP still. Everything else, the only thing that looks good is the money flow. That's it. That's it on Zcash. What's up, Daniel Ghazi? How you doing, sir? How was your day? I'm gonna put a video in the chat today. It's gonna be about 11 seconds long. I'm gonna show you how I almost killed somebody today. My garbage truck, they were stupid. I was driving down the road and I could see them in my peripherals, and they came up and they like cut in front of me and they went into their driveway. And I was like, oh my gosh! I accidentally cussed at him, but I didn't realize I did that until I looked at the camera later. Well, I'm looking at the 2-day on Zcash. You can compare it to these red candles that we got before, where we are now. The difference is right where we had these before, the money flow is still increasing. Now it looks like it's peaking and it's decreasing. That's not the greatest sign. Plus, you still got to swing up to swing down. So you also have bearish divergence on the 2-day. So I do believe there will be downwards price action going for a Zcash. The 3-day, it's currently has not got a higher high. We have a green dot, but it pretty much is giving it all back. Let's just be totally honest here. Strength, RSI, everything going down. There's a green down the 5-day. So I guess it really comes down if we can hold these levels. In fact, we could even come down to 385, I believe, and still remain bullish. So by that time we come back here, the 21 is going to come meet us. Give ejection off it, and the money flow still looks good on the 5-day. Yeah. Weekly is kind of getting iffy. Getting a little iffy there. The strength's so hot, the 119, 118. I can't see us coming straight back down, though, but wait and see. So we're bearish on Zcash short term. We could reject off this 21, but I don't think that's what's going to happen. There's too many signals telling us we're going to go down farther. The 5-day looks pretty good, though. You think Zcash is done? It could be done. It could very well could be. It was shot through the heart. You're to blame. Zcash is dead. It gives everything a bad name. I don't know. We got ICP. Let's look at ICP. How can FET be dead? I feel like it didn't even get started. ICP actually did get started. Ooh, I kind of like how this is starting to look. And the 12 hours coming down good amount, resetting. Come touch the 21. That's where we want to see. Strength, so actually starting to get a little bit of curvature in it. So is the VWAP. Money flow is still doing fine. Oh, the 4 hour. Anchor trigger wave. Come on, baby. Let's go. You can do it. Money flow is decreasing their strength. And Stokes trying to curve around. VWAP just slipping up. Oh, look at the 1 hour. We have a Jesus take the wheel pattern. Strength, RSI looking good. Momentum we got going on. The daily does look bearish. It does look bearish. 2-day has not clipped, but likely. We're going to front run and say we're likely going to quit. Give it a little breather. 5-day still shows it got some guts. Those the 8-day, and the weekly still looks good. So you go off the long time frame, says it looks good. So what I see happening is we're going to go like this. We're going to come back down. I'm going to keep going. That's what it looks like on the longer time frame. So I don't know. We're talking about the 5-day, 8 weekly. So a 5-day to the weekly candles. You know, that's only going to give you 4 more candles. So we might cool off a week or two and then keep on going. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm going to have to go into these bid-fi signals. They're popping off right now. Let's take a look at BET now. BET. That's in the AI. Artificial Liquid Super Intelligence. It's funny when Ocean Protocol leaves, FET's like, yeah, we're going to move now. Screw you, man. We're leaving you in the dust. Where are you, FET? Why would it not be up over here? Like, yeah, why not? Why wouldn't it not be with Tau? It's an AI coin. Where did I put this? I lost it. Oh, here it is. Oh, frick. I almost find it. Why are these not with the AI coins? Guys, I have to rearrange this at some point in time. We're flagging out, man. Flagging up. A little concerned with the double top pattern. Stokes are low. Money coming in. Strength coming. I don't know. That's a weird chart. It's saying it's still got. This 1 hour says it's bullish, but it's kind of a lopsided chart. The 4 hour actually looks pretty good. It actually has a higher high currently with more room to go. You will have to be careful with the inverted Jesus take the wheel pattern, which is, you know, you get up, you get your little head, and this arm goes up. You will have to be a little careful about that, but I don't see that. Yeah, I'm just projecting out scenarios. Money flow is doing good. Stokes, strength still coming up. Momentum still going good. And VWAP still looks good. I can't see because of my drawing. Erase that. And what a wonky pattern. We got some false pressure. What we got going right now. Stokes RSI low. Strength going up. Momentum still doing well. The money flow has been increasing, money coming into it, and the VWAP has not broken below. It's like refusing to break below. We are at the first line of resistance, okay? That's where we're touching right now. Now, if we flag and break up, we can do it. We're looking at 62 cents, so another 50% move. Well, I guess we could have a little bit more resistance. Big resistance right here, though. There's a little bit of resistance right there, and this is where we're at right now. So, hey, isn't that interesting that this wick rejected off the 47? So I guess we break up. We could technically hit 47 and reject, but more like, I think we'll break through it. I think we will. Strength, Stokes want to come up. Momentum. I like this momentum. It got to right here and actually grew in strength more to the upside. 2-day looks good. There's your double green dot, Bitboy green dot. Momentum, a little chalky, but still doing good. We actually had bullish divergence coming in right there in the momentum. You're trying to turn 1K into 10K, current at 2.6. Well, there you go. Why don't you go buy a squid bag? Just kidding. Just go leverage squid. Dang you, squid. Daniel Ghazi just did that. 3-day also looks good on FET. Look at 3-day. Stokes, strength, strong curvature. I'll try to zoom in so you can see it better. You got the Bitboy green dots. Momentum coming up. Looks like we're getting a rounded bottom on the money flow. The VWAP's breaking up. This all looks good to me. We first got to the 21, got rejected. Wicking up. I want to look at some of these coins. The BitFi signals are popping off right now, guys. They are absolutely popping off. Let's take a look at Melania, and then we might head over to Discord and cover some of these coins that are big fire signals is showing. Maybe that'll help you get some trades going. Keep the pump going. Oh, we'll see, man. Dude, I tossed 35K into Squid, still trying to recover. Oh my gosh. GTFO, really? That is brutal. Where did you find Squid? I remember we talked about this before. The Squid had so much manipulation. It looked so good so many times. I was liquidated twice on it. I'm gonna look at Melania. Melania. Where's the ticker for Melania? Mill? Is that a thing? I have no idea. What's the ticker for Melania? Is it just Melania? Melania meme ticker Melania. It's not her full name, you know. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I could spell Melania without having to look at it. Hello, honey. What'd she do? Oh my. Oh, that sucks. That's disgusting. Dog peed on the couch and the carpet, guys. Oof. Like we were saying earlier when we were looking at the chart, it did look like it wanted to give it back, man. Look at that. Oof. Red X. Doji candle trend reversal. It'd be a good short, though. I mean, why not, right? Strength Stokes going down. Money flow is kind of against you a little bit. VWAP is coming down. What's the 15 minutes hitting? 50. Oof. Open doors. Oof. Oof. Yeah, you might be able to get a short on here. Yeah, I'm not going to sell at a loss, but she played me. Who's she? Who's she? I hate selling at a loss, too. That 15 minute just ticked to a 20. Hopefully my APY can shake its ass and move. Or APR. I hope so, man. I hope so. I hope you recover. That really sucks, though. Melania, man, on the 4 hour, it looks like a short to me. Broskies. I'm seeing a short. The 4 hour kind of shows some sort of momentum, but I don't know what caused a wick like that. Why is it Trump pumping more than Trump? I don't know. Maybe it was a lot of big short squeeze. The daily still showed that trigger wave. Stokes RSI could continue. We did wake up to the 200. What's so crazy how these numbers always hit. Like we really busted through these two. We right up to the 200. Litecoin looks ugly. I'm not falling for that social media hype. I don't think so, man. I think Litecoin's just there's some people that like it. To me, it looks like a fool's hope, bro. Litecoin sucks. Dude, I first bought my Litecoin. I think I told you guys this story. I had a choice of buying 1.2 Litecoin. I think I bought it like at $360. I bought $500 of Litecoin, or I could figured out how to use my Trust wallet at the time and bought Safe Moon when it launched. And I was trying to figure out which one I wanted to do, and I ended up going with Litecoin because I was like, it's easier to do. I don't want to deal with Safe Moon. I don't know what the heck I'm getting into. And man, I wish I bought Safe Moon. That would have made so much money that night. Where are we gonna look at? Oh yeah, some Melania. Can it keep going? Excuse me. Man, we did make a W pattern. Is that a little bit of curvature right there? You guys can't see it. There is a little bit of curvature. I don't know, man. I would short it. Then you got my opinion. The 3-day looks good. Everything else, I don't know. I would probably short it. I mean, good stop loss. That's what I would do. Short it throughout the night. Watch this 4 hour. I'd probably put, stop loss at 19,370, and I take profit at 1270.89 ish area range. That's what I would do if I want to get into that trade. Okay, let's look at Litecoin, and then we're gonna jump into the bid file signals. Hey guys, did you see what happened today? Which I don't know if you guys follow us on X, but I've been joining some Twitter spaces trying to grow our X account because I'm like, man, why is YouTube and Rumble outpacing our X account? We jumped up. I got into a couple of Twitter spaces, and from Saturday, my one Twitter space, and today, we went from like 210 to like 264 follow verified blue check mark verified followers. I'm like, yes, let's freaking go. I was getting ready to take my shirt off in the Twitter spaces, and then people said that they would follow me if I didn't do that, so it worked out. Watch Litecoin watch LTC private go pumping. I bought Litecoin at $75 and sold at 200. Oh, you did pretty good. Sold at 320, I believe. Oh my gosh, I bought your bag. Dang you, DZ, you sold me your bag back in 2021. D-Square, you can look at, say, my biggest bag now. I bought more today. Yeah, I can totally take a look and say, that's been a long time. I wonder if Jason Wynn is going to get a name change to Jason Loss. James? Oh, you mean, James Wynn. I'm in his camp, bro. I think that the likelihood of us going down is still higher than us going up higher. I said 115. You know what? We have. Okay, we're going to take a look at your coins, but let's take a look at the liquidity. Because I'm more bullish for like April, May. I think that we're going to have a pretty crummy November, possibly December. But I could be wrong, guys. That's my shot, you know. I'd rather take a shot and miss than play lukewarm with you guys, because at least you know I tell you what I think. I might change my mind, you know, if more data comes out. If we could break 115, get up to a higher high at 130, totally 100%, I'm wrong. 100%. Yeah, you know, I wonder that too, but I do wonder some things too. I mean, he's clearly made more money, and he obviously is not telling everybody how much money he has. I wouldn't tell everybody how much money I had if I was in his boat. You know, the 24-hour, there's more liquidations below us down here. They would probably pump up the liquidity, try to get more longs to open up before they go get that. Get out of my face, you stupid words. I don't even know what triggers that. We come up to a 3-day time frame. We did snag a big fat stack of liquidity right there. A little bit more below us. Do you guys see when I do that? Oh, shoot. I'm glad I looked over because I forgot to share my chart. Happens to the best of us. You guys are going, what are we still looking at Melania for? Because it's a girl. That's why. Dude. Why is it not showing me the liquidity above us? I was just doing that the other day on the 1 week. Why can't I see it now? Oh, yeah, there it is. I see it now. There's a lot of liquidity up there. Ooh, doggy. Yeah, we're probably on our way up to go snag that liquidity. We'll probably make a big old fat pocket down here. Oh, Daily. Shout out, guys, to Daily. Where's my applause button? Daily with the super chat swinging on in. Where's my applause? Hey, thank you so much, Daily. We're working on something special for you, man. I haven't figured out what it is. I have a couple of ideas. We got something special for you. Hey, are you drinking tonight? Where did you put your beer in the Discord? I haven't seen a peek yet. Yeah, we're gonna take that liquidity. It's another thing too, guys. So I'm gonna stretch this out a lot higher. We're looking at it monthly, okay? I can't even get it up over here to see above us. There's not a lot of liquidity up where our all-time high is. A lot of it's like in this one area right here. Some up over at 117. But on the short term, a little bit below us. We might come back down to 103 before we go up. Where are we? What is Bitcoin at? 106 right now? 106, 500? 5 hundos? I gotta jump back over the charts, guys. We're gonna look at Say. You know what? Daily. The one thing I could say about Say is it was in a very similar pattern to Sui. And I was talking to BitBoy before he went off the rails a little bit. And I said, what would be the best things to buy? And he said, I would buy Say. It was one of the few things he said to me before everything went down. What? Why does it look just like Melania coin? Oh, wait. I am Melania. I was so confused. I was like, what? I swear I hit locate. Why is it? Oh, wait, I just don't want to pull up my screen. 112K liquidations. Discord. I will pull it up after we get done with Say. Oh, I should like a comment. Did I throw you a comment on the screen? I've never tried that with that. Sure. Oh, yeah, I can. Sweet. Hey, look at that, guys. Look at Daily. You're such a gentleman. Are you back out of California? How is California? Shameless shill. You know it, man. Yeah, kind of looks like Bitcoin in that rising scary wedge. Stokes RSI are low. There's pressure to the downside on the momentum wave. But money flow is increasing. What? The VWAP's choppy too. This is a weird chart. And we keep getting this fake momentum to the downside. If you're watching it, like we had a little bit right here. Where's my paint pen? Okay. Paintbrush. We have a little bit of weird fake out choppiness, which wasn't very strong right here on the light blue. And then right over here, it was trying to break down. That was a really bad line. You guys can't even see that. It tried to break down. And it's giving us a lot of this false, not a lot of strength, I guess I could say. Not a lot of strength to the downside. Like it tried to break down here, now it's trying to break back up. It's really fighting its way up. Money's been increasing in it. We do have the VWAP just below it with the weird choppiness to it. I don't quite like that. Stokes RSI have been slowly trending up, and they're low. Like when I get a better way of explaining this. Like the money flow is increasing, and it's when the two Stokes and RSI's cross and the bullish is when they turn green. So we're in the bullish pattern right now. I watched BitBoy's channel today, and he looked wrecked. That's so funny. I watched his channel today, too, and I haven't watched him in like 2 months. I got like 10 minutes in there, bro. I was like, oh, my gosh. He just does not look like the same person, man. I really want to know what type of drugs he's on. Dude, he's on something, bro. Something hardcore. I have no idea what it is, but you could see it in him. Like, just, hey, guys, I'm talking like this. I'm in the channel. We're going to go over coin. Telegraph. Oh, there we go. There. Okay. Now we're gonna come over here. Look at this, dude. That's how he sounds, bro. And I'm like, dude, what is going on with the guy? He's usually so much energy. All right, so we're in a rising wedge right now on the 1 hour for Say. We always say sell in the green, buy in the red, right? So if you were trading it, I'd be like, well, we're coming up to this resistance right here, so it would be a good time to take profits. The money flow is good. You up's giving down. Stokes RSI are high. Straight just kind of did a little bit of a flop right there. 12 hours still looks good. 12 hours still looks good. We went from 17, 18, 16. We broke above the 21. We're coming up to the 50-week moving average right here. We're touching the 50-week. If we can get above the 50-week, what we say is going to be golden. Do we have the guts to get there? Well, let's take a look. We come over to the daily time frame. The daily says yes, we do. Momentum still coming in. VWAP looking good. Money flow is rounded. Hopefully, we can get that clip right there. Get underneath of that red money flow. Get it going. Stokes RSI strength are still coming up. 2 days looking good, man. 2 days showing 20 above 20 cents. You gotta go watch BitBoy, dude. It's so sad, man. He was like a G, dude, back in the 2021. Very sad, man. Don't do drugs. Which I know he's on pharmaceutical drugs, but it's all appropriate to say. So 3 day, we have double green dot, BitBoy green dot. We're in a falling wedge. Hopefully we could start making a rounded bottom, kind of like this right here where the falling wedge. Hopefully we get that falling wedge to start breaking up. It does show patterns of doing that same exact thing. We did have over here on this breakup, the RSIs and Stokes were green and bullish. We haven't flipped that. We're still red, but they are curving up, and the VWAP is up, and we do have the double green dot momentum on the 3 day. The 5 day does want to clip, and not just that, it will clip, almost guaranteed, because we have a bullish divergence coming in. Swing up, swing down. And our RSI is low on the 5 day. Weekly VWAP's coming up. And I gotta get this yellow line on my face. It's confusing me. And we worked really hard down, and we still haven't. We're respecting the zone right here. I like that because it's holding its ground. We're at a 662. The DBSI doesn't know which way you're going to go. And if you follow the previous things like 5 day bullish divergence, the 3 day showing strength to the upside, the 2 days looking good, the daily's looking good. The 12 hour still shows it has gas left in the tank. It's not completely ran out yet. Yeah. Why not, guys? We just broke above the 21. We could come back down and test it before continuing. But no, I think Say looks good. I'm gonna go watch BitBoys now. Fool probably got wrecked. No, I was also curious. You said she's so bad she married a penguin. Who's she? I'll just go back up. Can you look up APR when Bree thinks? Oh, is APR an actual coin? DZ? I can look up APR. So yeah, say daily. I think say looks good on the longer time frame. We're gonna go pull up APR. Let me know if you want me to go back. Daily. We could always go back and revisit. APR. It sounds like a meme coin. A prio. I have 2 A's down there. Like, well, that's alphabetical order. So bad. A prio. Well, I can tell you right now, it does not look good to me. First thing is, it's one and only red dot right here it's ever had, which is like a trigger wave to the downside. Now, I hope I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong. Now, the money flow has been coming down. The 1 hour says we are going to get some green candles going. Maybe come up to the 21, well, above the 200, which is pretty crazy. How old is this candle? This thing's not that old, so I guess that doesn't really count. We have momentum to the upside. There is some sort of, I believe I see some slight bullish divergence. VWAP coming up, strength Stokes coming up. The 4 hour, we had a red X. It's kind of denying it. So the one hour is bullish. The 12 hour or 4 hours hasn't confirmed anything yet. The 15-minute does look kind of spent to red dot to the downside. The 5-minute, that's actually not that bad. Trading sideways. Oh, Momentum's coming down, my flow's coming down. I think it's a fake out, man. I think the next hour we could be at, well, this is a huge number, 28.37, where we're at. 15-minute doji, 2 doji candles trend reversal of the previous green candles, which wants you to go down. A trigger wave to the downside sketch, bro. I don't think this is going to play out. Like I would like to see it play out. I think it's going to need some sort of manipulation, though. Six hour looks pretty nasty, gross. 12 hour looks gross. I want to tell you, it's all up and sunshine from here, but it looks like it still has some more downwards price action. It really comes down to this 1 hour. If this 1 hour can play out with this bullish divergence, when we can get above the 21, we can start flipping other time frames. I think that would be the best case scenario. Dude, he does have bad dark circles under his eyes. He had those though when I was in Georgia with him back in January. I'd have to go back to like a lot of his older videos to see if he actually still has that. No, I think I'm bearish on this coin. Like even right now, the 25 minute, 30 minutes to kind of get some verification on the 1 hour. It's not over till the fat lady sings. We went from a 16 to 11 though. We're losing off the 20. We're rejected off the 21. Now we got 3 times, once, twice, 3 times. Have not been able to break above it. That's what makes me nervous. We maybe come back down and we can take another run at it, but currently, yeah, man. That's weird. Green dot right there. That doesn't make any sense. Don't lie to me. LA trip was a blast. Great food. I tried a Michelin star restaurant. Did I say that right? Michelin? What's a Michelin star restaurant? Michelin McNellen restaurant. It's been a long time since I've been to LA. A long time. There was a lot of noise about this big YouTuber that said he was selling everything. Forget the name, but sounded like someone that got wrecked with leverage. Wait, who are you talking to? Easy. Not you. You talking about BitBoy? Easy. Who the heck is she? You didn't respond. I'm still curious. Okay, let's pull up another coin you guys want to look at. I knew there was another one in here. It sounded like someone that got wrecked with leverage. Yeah, dude, leverage can be a mean thing. It can also be the greatest things I've ever felt. Oh, we have an avocado. Look at avocado. Is it? But avocado's not trading view, is it, my friend? Oh no. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna go do. I was gonna hop in the Discord. We're gonna go with bid-fi signals. Okay, that's what we're gonna do, guys. Okay, cover my favorite segment. Then we're gonna go jump in the Discord and check out all these signals that's firing off in our bid-fi premium access trading group. And you can see, you daily. You guys know what I'm talking about. Oh man, I just burped and it tasted just like spaghetti. Oh, we got the giveaway coming up too. Guys, we partnered up with BitFi. Okay, no KYC, no VPN, and you save 20% on your trading fees with our link. Also, we have a drawing for people to win some money. All you gotta do is head on over to this little link right here. It says repost, and we post it. I would like to say, please tell us your favorite cryptocurrency when you repost it, as well to claim the $100 giveaway we are doing. I think one of those reposts are ours. I think you have a 1 in 5 shot right now winning $100. So come on over there, share the post, get entered to win $100, and let's freaking go. All right. Now, if you come over here and you're new to trading and you want to use a link, you can deposit $100 and you get a $60 bonus. You can deposit $500 and get a $100 bonus, You deposit $1,000 and get a $200 bonus, or a $5,000 deposit and get a $1,000 bonus. Just be careful when you're learning to trade. That's why they give you a little bit more money when it's green, when you're a green trader, compared to like when you're a little bit more experienced. Because the Black Swan events, guys, they suck. They suck. I got liquidated on that Black Swan event. I had an XRP trade opened up on like a 2x leverage. You had to go down to like $1. I don't know, like $1.60. Went down to like $1.20. I thought for sure we never would have seen those numbers again, and it only lasts like 2 seconds. Sucks, you know. So Black Swan events are real. Use stop losses. Protect your ass, right? Sometimes you got to do that. It's not the most ideal thing to do, but you got to do it. And those White Swan events, guys, we're in the season of volatility. The White Swans and Black Swans all coming up, and we got the government opening back up. We have the tariff news coming back in. We have a stimulus check, which is going to be in the form of a tax write-off, or however that IRS does it. So we do got some sort of events coming into the market. There's just a couple right there that, you know, can make us go up. I'm going to go up. Yes, join the Discord. Just posted pictures. Best bang for your bucks. Absolutely, guys. We ain't ever going to charge $100 for our Discord. And never. I guess you should never say never, but I have never, ever planned on doing that ever, because I paid $100 for a Discord for like 6 months, and I felt like I wasted my money. I'm not gonna lie. So I'll never charge you guys $100 because we gotta live, man. I don't know about you, but $100 goes a long ways nowadays. Get yourself some good whiskey. We're gonna jump on over to the Discord. I'm gonna move this stuff around on my screen so I can make it look like I'm looking at the camera when I'm talking. Also, I think it'll zoom in more when I do this. Well, that's ironic. If I shrink it like that, you guys can see it better. It's minimized right now. It's minimized. It's like this size of my screen. I bet you guys could see it like full. But then when I expand it to full screen, it does this weird thing. I'm like, well, now you guys can't see anything at all. Can I zoom it in? There we go. Whoa, it's like zoomed in. I just looked at my screen because I was looking at the camera on StreamYard, and I zoomed it in, and it's like that white square is like half my screen. It's like, that's so zoomed in. Oh my gosh. But at least you guys can see it, right? I gotta zoom it out a little bit. Oh my goodness, is that better? I can see it, you can see it. Okay, cool. So we got signals firing off right now. We just got a whole bunch, 5 new signals coming in. Let's work at them. So we were just talking about Trump, guys. So it says, another thing cool about these BidFi signals, guys, is it gives you entry points, stop losses, and take profits. It even gives you little leverage options too. So it's saying, guys, you have to remember, BidFi, they are in a foreign country, and they use commas for periods. So they're saying $7.82 to $7 is the entry point for the long setup with a Trump coin, okay? And then even shows you down here, you can pick anywhere in this range. Yeah, take profits, $9, $10, $12, and a stop loss at 6.6. These are the swings. So we can look at scalp ones too if you want to do that. So here's one that kind of caught my attention for you, DZ, because you kind of like those oddball alts that no one's ever heard of before. So you got Lumia USDT at the entry point of 1647, which maybe lots of people have heard for this. I haven't heard of it. 1647 is the entry point. You have a take profit 19 cents, 23 cents, and take profit 25.15 with a stop loss of 14.5. That's a good risk versus reward. Then we come over here and we have a Flux. I actually have heard of Flux. I think I've even owned it before. Flux setup, very similar to the last one. Whoa, that's good risk versus reward. Look at that, guys. That's like 1 in 4 shot. I like that. We come over here, and guys, these signals come from the top ROI traders over there at BidFi. That's aggravated through a bunch of different trade setups, I guess. They are looking at an entry point of 16.99, which is right here. Right here. With a take profit at 19.23.26 and a stop loss at 14.335. Ooh, there's a long step for hype, guys. Hype. Entry point at 39.95 and 37. Not the sweetest setup, as sweet as the other ones. It's like 1 1/3. That's life. That's a lifer size, though. Take profit at 45, 48, 50, 51, 55. They give you 5 different levels to take profits at, with a stop loss at 36. Not bad, man. Not bad. You could say you're gonna entry price. You're gonna aim for 37. The stop loss at 36. That's very low risk with more reward. What's this? A Tau. I had a feeling this was Tau. Oh, I guess it shows it right there too. We got a $383 to a $360 entry range. Take profit 450, 500, 440, 540, and 605. You know what the funny thing is, that these 2 profit levels, because they are very round. I would never ever like to use round numbers. Like if it was me, I would do like 492 or 447. I don't like using round numbers. I feel like round numbers suck. Went to look up the YouTuber that sold everything is Ben Cohen. Sounds more like Ben Coward. He sold everything? No, he's just doing that for clickbait. No way he sold everything. He's raging. He's trying to get people upset. Oh, here's the one from yesterday. Oh, I guess the Tau was yesterday too. I thought they were from. Oh, these were all from yesterday. Wow, I'm going nuts. Must be looking at the scalps. Well, you know what, guys? These all would have played out. If you took these setups from last night, these would have played out. Let me just pull this over. I want to take a look at them too, just so I can see myself. We got scalp signals. The scalp signals were firing off. Yeah, BNB. Entry price 973. Take profit 1025, 1100, and 1200. Stop loss at 873. This is actually a pretty good price, because I don't think we're going down to 873 right here, right now. About 2. You're risking like 2.5 times risk versus reward. There's an Ethereum Classic coming in here, guys. Entry price $16. Stop loss 14.8. Take profit at 18.8. Here's a link, guys. Link waking up. I can't talk. Position long. Entry price 15.5. Stop loss 14.9. Take profit 16.5. Not bad. Hey, Daniel Ghazi. What up, Daniel Ghazi? I'm thinking of Daniel Kaufman. Here's a long for AVAX, man. Hang in there, brother. I'm telling you, you don't want to get rid of it. Entry price 17.5. Stop loss 16.6. Take profit $19. We're heading back over to that $20 level. It's okay. It's got this. Here's a dot setup. I don't like dot. I was this morning too. Entry price 3.2. Stop loss 3. Profit 3.5. Gross. Well, let's take a look at some of these guys. I'm gonna pull this back over here. It's right here. I'm gonna pull the Discord back over here so I can see it. I'm gonna pull the YouTube chat to this screen over here. I don't need it directly in front of me. I got you in the general chat. Your mug is on full screen. Oh, let me look over. General chat. I gotta zoom out. It's just so zoomed in. Whoa! Yeah, you do, man. Oh, dude, look at your foam, bro. You got a lot. That's half a glass. I have more foam than you got in the glass. Brewdog America IPA. There you go, man. Better beer. Where's that? The APY on it. You always got some nice beer, man. I don't know where you go, but I need to go where you're at, man. You always got these one-offs. I like it, man. Dude, I got like this like Chinese like mustache going on, man. I don't know if I like that. It kind of makes me want to shave. Fu Manchuing it. Oh man, look at Daily. That's a fancy. Is that a conch shell? You like that conch shell, man? I've never had that. Is that good? I don't even. What is this? Wasabi? Is that wasabi? I love wasabi. That's not conch shell. I'm thinking urchin. That urchin. Whoa. What is that? What's that? What's the orange? What's the orange? That looks good, dude. That looks like money. Sea urchin, yeah, sea urchin, yeah. Is the orange part the sea urchin, like the innards? Where'd you go to try this? I've never tried sea urchin. I would try sea urchin. I love seafood. Looks good, man. That wasabi, dude. That's wasabi. It's all my. I love wasabi. 100%. I'm gonna put a GIF in here. I'm gonna find a good GIF to put on there. Do that to show. We'll have to do it later. I'm getting distracted looking at myself and that food. Looks good. Looks really good though. You're making me hungry. Where's my charts? Okay, so we were gonna look at some setups from yesterday. Let's look at Tau. Okay, we're gonna pull up Tau. So this call came in the Discord at, excuse me, about 24 hours ago. An entry at 360 to 383. Well, I could just jump over here. We could say entry point at 383.60. You would have got in, man. You could have had, well, you had 360, you would have missed it. 360 is low. But you had 360, 383, you would have got in. Where were we at right now? 12 hours ago, 4 a.m. Right here. Dude, they nailed that sucker, guys. So if you took the setup for Tau, is it place your entry price at 383 to 360. So you would place it in down here, 383 to 360. 383 was kind of high entry price. I would have gone a little lower. I probably would have went in the middle, say 370. Boom. 370 have been right here ish. Yeah. Hey man, you would have caught the bottom. Caught the bottom on that Tau trade. Said take profit at 450. Oh, so you'd still be in it. You would still be in that trade. And it still looks like it's going up too. Momentum going up, Stokes RSI going up. I'd probably just take it and close out my trade right here though. I'd be happy. I wouldn't want to test the 200. Oh, it does say looking good. Oh, the 4 hour looks really good too. Ooh. 12 hour looks really good on Tau. Well, there you guys go. There's the first one, man. Hallbox LA, dude, we're going, man. At some point. Either that, we all get on a cruise and we could all take a cruise someplace and eat some sea urchin. Take a cruise to Hawaii, that'd be fun. Okay, so Tau would have played out. Let's come over here. It says hype. We have hype and Filecoin. Oh, we got Filecoin. We were looking at that a lot lately. Let's go to hype. So hype has just shy of $40 to 37 as an entry point, and then take profit from 45 to 55. Hyper liquid. Hype. We go to the 1 hour. One hour, we were at 4 a.m. Oh, that's the 8th. That's too far. 1 hour. We want 4 a.m. right here. So you've been on this candle. It said entry price at 39 to 37. Oh, you would have got into it right here? Nope. 39. Nope, you would not have gotten into this trade. You would not have gotten into it. Which is okay, guys, because sometimes you need to be in every trade. Just set it up. If it plays out, it plays out. That's how you handle some good, more risk versus reward. Oh, show my treat. No, it'll be our treat. Daily, our treat. Dude, I got so many awesome ideas. Dude. I'm so excited for our channel because you guys remember the BitBoy Pluto Alliance cruise, dude? I met the guy who set that up, and it wasn't BitBoy. It was one of our kings in Pluto Alliance, and he had so many great ideas. Like, Ben loved the cruise, but it was kind of like a flop on the finances side. And this gentleman, man, he designed it so well. Ben pitched it without being like, hey, you could see my nipple or whatever he said on there. That's some weird advertising thing that he was trying to come up with. He thought it was funny. The cruise would have been free, and we would have been free probably for life. It was a flop, but it was a lot of fun, and I learned a lot of stuff. All right. So you would have. Oh, here's Flux. But Flux is today. Let's take a look at Flux or Lumia. I want to look at Lumia because of DZ. Lumia. I definitely don't have Lumia in my charts. For sure. Type in Lumia USDT. Another cool thing, guys, with our signals is that we use BitFi. We're partnered up with BitFi. So all of our trade setups, signals, all those coins will exist on BitFi. You're like, Lumia, I don't know where the heck you can get it without actually looking. Lumia. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's looking like it's going to go down more on the 4 hour. They're calling for an entry price at 16.5 cents. So they're calling for an entry price 16.47, which is right here. Dang near the bottom, okay? Right in this zone. Over here. And they say take profits at 19, 23, and 25. So they're thinking they can come back up to 19, 23. Oh my goodness. I had to blow it up. For a higher time frame. Oh, I can see what they're thinking. Maybe come up to have the 21 catch up to it. Maybe entry price right here. Money flows increasing. I'm not the biggest fan of this trade setup, though, to be honest with you. I mean, you might get like one of these magic wicks, like what Bliss does. Come back up to the 200. Is there anything else that screams bullish about this? Well, the daily hasn't rolled over yet. Close. I just don't know how I feel about this setup either. The Tau one I liked. What's the other one they put in here? They have a Flux trade. This one looks pretty good. Let's take a look at Flux. And then we can take a look at Bliss. have? Oh, wait, that's Altcoin. Flux. USDT. Oh, wow, this. Oh, I like the falling wedge. We have almost Jesus take the roll to the upside. This looks good. Entry price 17 cents. When did this come in the chat? It just came in 50 minutes ago. They didn't give you a lot of room, man. You might have to FOMO into this trade. 16, 17. They literally, when they called it, they're saying right here range. Oh, you're probably FOMO into it. You jump on into that trade if you really want to. It says 19, 23, and 26. Stop loss at. That's a low at stop loss. 14. Oh, I guess it's not. 14.3. So once your stop loss down 14.3. They want it at just before the 200. And I think it's going to go to the projecting flux to go to 19, 23, and 26. Flux. First take profits is 19 right here on this leg. Second leg is probably up over here, 23 and 26. 23 right here would be the second leg zone. And 26, which is up over here. That's not bad, though. I mean, like they said, so this is where we're at. This is where you're saying you can get your gains to, and this is what you're risking. I gotta figure out how to draw that triangle thing that Trent likes to draw. Is it this thing right here? That's not it. I don't know what that is, to be honest with you. It's not what I wanted, though. Is this it? Oh, yes, this is what I was looking for. Okay. I'm gonna pull this bar down. I'm gonna pull this corner down. There we go. All right, so if you enter this trade, you are risking 12% of your portfolio for a possible gain of 54.99%. Not a bad setup, man. I mean, it's a free. I guess it's not free. It's not free anymore, guys. If you want access to the bid price signals, you have to pay the premium to get into the channel. Whole box LA for show. My tree looks bearish. Oh, we shall see. Trent loves Bless. He does. He loves it. He's made a lot of money on it, though. Where is Bless at? I think part of Trent loves Bless because it's because he's uber religious and he loves it for the name. I think because it's paid him really good. I swear I just hit locate. It's gonna be giving me issues like that lately. Which I'm uber religious too. It just cracks me up because I think the name's sentimental. So if you get these nice wicks like that, man, I mean I can see why he likes it. He's like, boom, in gains. Boom, you're in gains. And this one, boom, you're like, wow, uber gains, right? Money flow has been slowly increasing. View up looking good. Stokes RSI good. Strength doing good. Me and Trent were talking about it like 12 hours ago, a couple of days ago. Yesterday, I'm counting the hours. How many candles? I was more bearish. Excuse me. On it because the yellow X had me very freaked out. I mean, clearly it's manipulation is trying. I know Trent might argue with me on it, but this thing's going like this. Very, very rapidly. Momentum still good. Money flow is okay. RSI is high. Well, not bad though. You know, Trent might be right. Trend reversal, the previous downtrend. Maybe we get those savage wicks. Stokes are low. Strength looking good. Daily. Haven't got there yet. Daily, I was looking at I don't know if I was talking to Trent on the phone or a sign. And I was like, daily! Because I saw whatever it was, that DL. Oh, no. I wasn't talking to Trent. I was talking to my wife. We're in the car, and his license plate was D. Lee. I was like, hey, it's Daily. And she was like, I was just trying to figure out what I was talking about. I was like, see, the license plate's D. Lee. $15-minute, though, doesn't look bad, though. I mean, momentum looking good. Strength, Stokes don't look that great, but kind of like it. The rising wedge, if it breaks up, which didn't break down with 3 blood diamonds and 3 red X's, it just finds all signs of it wanting to die. Could be good, man. What's the 5-min say? Gosh, 5-min then trade sideways, dude. Like, what the hell? Whereas we had to put an entry price in, like right here, and then try to long it up. Sneaking list. Yeah, no mention of that. I love having you around. Well, shoot, guys. What do you think about calling it an hour and a half in? Had some fun. Did we get any subscribers tonight? Yeah, look over here. Nope, it's 6:31 still. That's okay. All we need is you, Daily. You gave us a super chat. I feel good about that, man. You made me feel special tonight. I'm gonna post that video in the Discord, dude, where I almost killed somebody today. I had to go to the manager's office to get it. I was like, I need this video. They're like, why? I'm like, because I'm not gonna share it with anybody, but I'm gonna show it to my channel. But guys, I gotta thank everybody for showing up. Live chat. Oh, dude, I forgot to look at avocado. Okay. I guess I could say a little longer. Avocado. Potato. They don't have it. Just kidding, it's right here. AVAG. It looks a little bit manipulated on the 5 minutes. This is a little difficult to read, Muffhead. I think there's some manipulation going on. On your avocado. But if you throw a long and a short, if you what I'm trying to say, you throw a schlong open, you could probably catch a wick up and then a wick down and close in profits. I gotta take a look at Arrow, and then I gotta go. Arrow Finance. Arrow's been doing good. Momentum to the downside. Money flow looks good. VOF just broke down though. That's why we got the red dot. RSI is high. Strength's high, but coming down. 4 hour. Just turned red. Just flipped a little bit bearish. We are in a massive rising wedge. I mean, for the last 3 days, Arrow has been moving in the upwards direction. 12 hours still looks like it could keep going. I would definitely be taking profits. I mean, that sucker's a straight up needle to me. 15-minute. 5 minutes just bearishness. 15-minute wants to flip. Bullish. Money flow is going good. I would be a little worried on a longer time frame because we're having momentum come down clearly. It's kind of like this, how we had momentum come up. I mean, it took them a little bit before it actually really jumped. It came up very, very, very slow and jumped. We're coming clearly down right now. Daily still looks good. The 2-day still looks good. I would probably say I'm bearish until the morning. The 5-day looks good. The 8-day looks good. The weekly is on a trigger wave. Yeah, this looks good. This actually looks like ICP. And if you look at the nodes, this is actually a really good thing to look at, because right here, I mean, where's the other support? I mean, there's no resistance. That's it. Like, once it breaks above, like, you go right back up to all-time highs. It's all there. And it looks like it's going to do that. So I would be bearish until morning. And then after morning, I would say it looks really well. Really good. Really good. Guys, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Find us on X. Thank you, Daily, for your much love and support. Muffet, thank you for joining us tonight. D, not you. Dude, that is awesome. I'm so glad that you told me that Ben Coward sold his bag because everybody else bought cheap. See, me, I am bearish currently, but I'm not selling my bag because I could be wrong, and I'm not going to sell my bag and make a 4 or 5 year mistake. I will rather risk another 6 months and handle the volatility, because I'm not short. Was that like, what would you say, 3 months to 6 months is bearish? Long term, would you say that's like midterm? I don't know. That's what you guys get from me. You know, if we can get a really good leg up and Bitcoin hits a new all-time high, that'll be great. Let's cover the dominance amount total again. We'll find out if I see anything moving in the altcoins, because the altcoins look really nice right now. I'm definitely gonna be trading. Thank you, D Not You. Thank you, DZ, for showing on up, showing the love and support for the channel. Thank you for the super chat, Daily. Gambit, thanks for coming on in, supporting the channel. Daniel Ghazi, thank you for coming on in, friend. I'm glad that you made a killer trade. I haven't seen Lucas in a hot minute. Calvin, what's up, my dude? LT, thank you guys for coming on in for the channel. A Vision, Pulse, Fat Boy. Yeah, you know, I'm sorry that I savaged you, but it was worth it. I got one more comment down. This new. Scroll it down. All right, fam, love you guys. Hey, yeah, sounds good, dudes. We'll catch us. Oh, yeah, special guest will be on tomorrow or next week. Next week. Oh, yes. Oh, I don't forget about it. I'll see you guys later. Oh my gosh, Trent, you missed such an awesome stream.